Hi, my name's Billy, and today I will be talking to you about global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the increase in temperature of the Earth's atmosphere due to the greenhouse effect caused by the increased levels of carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbons. How important is global warming? Global warming is important. It's affecting the society. The growing effects of global warming are hurting the ecosystem that society lives in today. It's affecting the society by damaging the atmosphere the Earth is surrounded by, climate shifts, health problems to society, agricultural variations, and changes to organisms' habitat. Throughout the years, there has been many shifts in climate. These shifts in climate are caused by the greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a process by which radiation from the planet's atmosphere warms the planet's surfaces, causing these temperatures to change. These greenhouse gases are responsible for the temperatures warming up on Earth. Some of these gases are carbon dioxide. This gas comes from living organisms through respiration, such as trees and flowers, plants. Chlorofluorocarbon, or CFCs, is one of the biggest causes of global warming, and is one of the gases destroying the ozone layer. Another gas that's destroying the ozone layer is nitrous oxide, which is another gas that's affecting the atmosphere. It's caused by the produced when coal is it's produced when coal is burned. Another cause of global warming are human activities. We started seeing this change in climate after the start of the Industrial Revolution, with the burning of coal in cars. As population started to grow over the years and technology, more and more population started more and more pollution started to be produced. Society put pressure on environment, causing there to be harm to society's future living, such as water sources, food sources, and shelter for society. Another human activity causing harm to the environment is the nuclear power plants. A nuclear power plant is another human activity that causes harm to society and puts the environment and human health at risk, and it's very dangerous. So, I talked about the things that are causing global warming, but what are the things that are being affected due to global warming? First, sea levels. Due to temperature changes, glaciers are melting, causing high sea levels. These temperature changes and levels may cause hurricanes in coastal areas. Also, some of the creatures in oceans, such as fish, are moving due to temperature changes and are overpopulating other areas. According to the book The Environment: Opposing Viewpoints, it states that in the Monterey Bay in California, the ocean is warming and is causing a change in the population of the ocean's creatures, making cold water fish go north and warm water fish move in populated area. Another area that's being affected is Climate change. This is affecting the rainfall and how much rain falls. Some countries get lots of rains and others don't, causing these countries to be dry and temperatures to rise. According to statistics found in the book Global Warming, The Last Chance to Change, it states that in 35 years, all oceans coral reef could die due to climate change. Another area being affected by global warming is agricultural and organisms' habitats. Agriculture is being affected by its inability for crops to grow. Due to these changes in climate and precipitation, some areas may get rain, causing floods and causing plants not to grow, and some areas may not get rain, causing plants not to grow as well. Also, due to the belts that may move to an area where there may not be soil, and making it not possible for plants to grow. Also, organisms are being affected by having to migrate. Due to these temperature changes, due to them not having a way to survive in a different climate, some have to adapt to these different climates in order to survive, and others that don't adapt may lead to death. Another area in society that's being affected is the human health. The human health is being affected by these temperature changes. In some areas, it may affect humans by having heat strokes, hypothermia, and injuries or deaths from hurricanes, floods, and catastrophes. In 1996 in North Korea, due to floods destroying food sources, the North Koreans had to eat leaves and grass in order to survive. Another area that's affecting the human health is due to organisms having to migrate. Insects migrate, which may bring diseases and may cause health problems to humans and may lead to deaths. Taking action. What's the solution for global warming? There's no solution for global warming. If action is taken, global warming can be stabilized and there's a better future for the human society if the society starts using renewable energy sources and starts using less electricity, using less things that cause pollution, less driving cars. This may take action in stabilizing global warming. And even if society takes action at home, it's a start. It's a start for stabilizing global warming. Even if society can't do it as a whole, if people start taking action at their home, it can make a difference to the global warming. Global warming is an ongoing worldwide problem that affects the economic processes, resources, agriculture, and organisms' habitat. If the society, as I said, minimizes the use of fossil fuels and decreases the use of greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, this may help stabilize global warming and may help the society and environment from these catastrophes. Humans and species are becoming endangered and could possibly disappear if global warming isn't controlled. If society needs to take an action as a whole for the future generation of the society. in order for global warming to be stabilized.